What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back. We're actually still at the Orange Outlets. I believe that's what it's called. But yeah, Bosco is currently in there. I need to go meet up with them. Let's go see what's up. What's behind me? Oh, so it is a finish line. I forgot where I was. So there's a finish line. Let's go see what's up over there. Holiday shopping in effect, you guys. Look at this, man. This place is freaking packed. And for any of you eagle-eyed people, you guys saw this. Yeah, it's a new buck in the toe box. I didn't know that. Yeah, they do got these bad boys here. This is size 10.5. I just looked at it. Yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna throw this bad boy on Instagram for any of you guys that are local. You guys have a shot at trying to get some of this stuff. Bosco already in here. He's already investigating, see what's going on over here. I think he's still doing his live stream. Yep, live stream. Got some heat here, you guys. Got some heat here. Stuff that we saw at other spots, but I think they got better sizing here. So you got these bad boys. I don't know. This is a size 9, so it looks like they got some decent sizing. These are size 11, but they got a couple of 11, so got a few different sizes at least, or a couple copies of the same size at least. And they got these as well. This seems like a bigger size too. Yeah, this is a size 12. Oh, okay. Alright, so I did post all the mids and the lows on Instagram. Well, the 4 prior ones, because those are the ones everybody's looking for. These are pretty dope as well. But people be sleeping on the all whites for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because that's all listed, you guys. That's all been posted, you guys. Clippers colorway of the PG4s. They got these. I'm surprised these are on sale. Are these the Witness 5s? Okay, I didn't know these were out yet. Okay. Then these are the Soldier 14s. These are. Let me know what you guys think. I don't want to talk too much trash about it. I'm not a fan of these at all, you guys. I'm just not. They don't look good. I think the older Soldiers are better. The Soldier 13s I thought looked better. The LeBron symbol kind of totally reminds me of the Shaq one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. I'm not a fan of these at all. These are $140 too. I don't know, I just feel like there's so many better shoes you can get for $140. PGs, I don't think these are one of the ones you can get that's better. 60, we've seen all these on sale. Surprised those are a little bit higher than we've seen. And yeah, we saw those for $50 at the clearance center. Yeah. Do got a couple of the newer LeBrons, you guys. Yeah, this is not bad. I like the look. I think the colorway, not a fan of this colorway. Yeah, eventually I think I'm gonna end up getting one this year. Kind of like a Lakers colorway, a purple one. Both going for $200. I forgot how heavy LeBrons are. These shoes are pretty freaking heavy, dude. Got some K-Swiss. Anybody dying to get some K-Swiss for $30? Normally $50. Got some Crocs too. I always forget how expensive Crocs are. Because I think Crocs go for about $45. That's crazy. Trying to see if they got some sales in the women's section. Let's see what's up going on over here. Let's see what's going on over here. And I was like, what's this? I don't recognize these. What the heck is this? Got a couple of them. Man, they're getting us, dude. Nike Mid Valiant. But yeah, normally it's $60. Now it's down to $50. Man, that's not even a big sale. What the heck? Damn, they're not hooking up the women's section at all with any steals. What's going on here? They got some Superstars, 50% off of those, 50% off of those as well, man. These are like extra bright. Wow. Dang, everything's back to regular price, you guys. Dang, dude. So we haven't hit the malls up in a while. Dang, dude. The only thing are these on sale? I don't even know what these are. The Vista Light or something. I forgot what these are called, but these are the extra chunky ones. Only $15 off too. Yeah, not really much to show you guys. Oh my goodness. This is interesting. That's like the big kids and stuff too. Dude, got some more Jordan mids right here. Yeah, yeah, that's a lot going on here. Holy. Different materials, patent leather, buck leather, satin. Retail game right here. Dude, got some of the Air Force lows, all white. Can't go wrong with that. So they don't call it the clearance section. They call it the last chance section. Because some of these are just the last ones. Don't really see much on sale. Yeah, let's go across the street. Alright, Bosco's taking care of a couple of orders since he does do pickups for people and stuff. Let's go see what's up at Shoe Palace, you guys. See what's going on there. We do got the Don 2s, the Crayola pack. This is kind of interesting. Not bad, especially for kids. This is pretty dope. This is the Banana Mania colorway. That's pretty dope. They got the red one. I don't know what colorway this is. Strawberry Jam. Interesting colorway. Then they got, I don't know, what is this? The Spider-Man colorway? Because there's a Spider-Man right there. But yeah, that's pretty interesting, you guys. Not too bad. This is somewhat of a budget model, so $110. Not bad for a signature basketball sneaker, you guys. Not bad at all, dude. Do got a pretty decent selection of the Reebok Classics. Even got some up there. Fortunately, I don't really know all the original prices, so let's see. Let's see if they're on sale, because I don't really know. These are going for $55, normally $65, I guess. Mixture of like nylon and nubuck. Actually, it's just suede. Yeah, short hair suede. Okay. $80 for these. $65. I think that's the regular price for these. This is all buck leather. These, not too bad. Kind of flat for my feet, but not too shabby. See, I like this gum bottom right there. These are going for $40. Normally $60, so that's not too bad, especially for all you Reebok fans. I know Bucktober is over, but yeah, let's still take a look at some of these. I totally forgot Reebok, or the Reebok heads call it that. That's hilarious. Yeah, these not bad. I don't know the price though, man. Bastards messing it up for us. But these are pretty dope, pretty clean. Got a couple more. That's going for $65 right there. That's $55. And that's $75. What's up with that, dude? Do we actually have KDs at regular price? Because I feel like the KDs are always on sale. This is kind of interesting, dude, especially for kids or anybody with kids. Pretty dope colorway. PGs go for kind of what they should, unfortunately. $50 for those. I know they've been sitting everywhere. Dude, the Zoom Freaks already down to $80. Holy crap, those just came out, I feel like. Damn. This going for retail, $120. You got some of the leftover KD 12s. Go for what, 90? Yeah, $90. KD 13s, like I'm used to them being on sale. Go for 90. Those are $90. Yeah, we got some more retail game right here. $150 for these. Oh, I'm surprised. 90 for those. We know the new KDs we know the new Kyries are coming out, so obviously those are gonna be on sale. Go for $90. These are pretty dope. Yeah, I'd like the all black ones better, but that's still not bad. Those are really growing on me. The 720 818s. I have no clue what the hell the 818 stands for. If anybody knows, let me know, you guys. Okay, some of these, not too bad, going for $50. A little bright for my blood, but you know, if that's your style, that's dope. $50. These are going for $70, slight sale. $140 for these, that's the retail game. And then $70 for these. Those are way too white though, man. I can't keep stuff white. Damn, they got Crocs everywhere now. I never seen Crocs at a regular sneaker shop. Damn, that's crazy. Women's casual section. This is kind of dope. Stuff that I've never seen before. What is this? This is pretty insane. Kind of like a, oh shit, what the hell? Kind of like a, what the colorway? What the heck? I've never seen these before. Wow, $100 for these lows. That's cool. This is kind of like the mid version of that one. Pretty dope. These are going for $1.25. This is interesting. I've never seen an Air Force One like this. Pretty dope. Different materials. Yeah, not bad. $110 for these. Dang, dude, that's a lot of bling, yo. A lot of bling. $170 for these Air Max 97. Okay, I was like, what is that? Oh, okay. Dang, that's a lot of bling. Blazers, pretty clean. Got a couple extra Nike swooshes on there. $110 for these. Yeah, these are pretty dope, dude. Pretty dope. No retros, you guys. Nada. They do have apparel here. Nothing on crazy sales, though. No crazy sales. Oh, wait. Let's see what's going on over here. I do see a sale sign. Let's see what's up. Got Adidas shirt. Normally $28, going for $20. That's a size large, I think. Oh, that's a size extra large. My bad. Nike shirt. Normally $30 down to $25. Not that much of a sale. That is dope. $20 for these bad boys. This is a size small though. Normally $35, going to $20. Kawhi and PG. I don't know. People still want this with PG on it? Go for $20. Jumpman flights. These are going for $20 as well. Oh, my bad, you guys. These are going for $30. These are going for $55. Normally $65. So the price is not the greatest. Yeah. Yeah. I think we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. I think we might wrap it up. It's kind of a shorter vlog. Time out. I missed the sale section right here. You know I can't miss the sale section. You got some sixes, some Dame sixes. These are hella comfy. They are coming out to 7 sometimes soon, so you know these are gonna be on sale. $70, pretty solid price, because I think they normally went for what, 120, 130 or something? I don't know. Superstars go for $50, not too bad. Classic silhouette. This does have the gold trimmings on it. Okay. So, yeah, $50. Normally these go for what, 85, I think. Do got some NMDs. Normally go for 70. That's the Pride colorway. Do got some Converse here. Dang, these are $20. Damn, that's actually dope. USA colorway. Hot Rod colorway on one side, USA colorway on the other. That's an interesting mix. Yeah, these are normally at 65 down to $20. Not too shabby. More Superstars. These are size 8. Go for $50. Looks like there's a couple Superstars in here and there. Got some Vans going for $30. Some slip-ons. We got some Disruptors. Yeah, nobody's looking for those, right? $20 for those. More Disruptors. I think that's a women's colorway. I'll go for $20. Dang. Do got some New Balance. Yeah, these are kind of whatever though. In my opinion, yeah, kind of whatever. All right, now we're gonna wrap it up. You guys.